Uni against BTC. So for Uniswap against BTC, we are still in a falling channel, I would say. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to be an A, B, C kind of a chart pattern. Things just aren't really that clear. I really do wish that there was a bounce for Uniswap against BTC, but I don't see the bounce, not at this point. I really do wish to see it, but I just don't see it. Does Uniswap have strong fundamentals? Yes. Do you believe in Hayden? Yes, I do believe in Hayden Adams. And it's a solid project, but technical wise, I just don't see things turning bullish. But to be honest, this is actually a very something positive, I would say. The reason being, we are falling in a very controlled manner, right? We are not exactly collapsing. Like if you look over here, way back in September 2020, all the way back down to November, September, October, November, for 3 months, we were in kind of a free fall. We are not exactly free falling, right? You could see just by the angle as well, we are not as steep as here, right? We are kind of more horizontal, I would say, for Uniswap against BTC. So in my opinion, this is actually good, but the question is, how much lower are we going to go before we see some sort of a reversal for Uniswap against BTC? How much lower? We don't know. So until the trend switches bullish, we shall be patient, and we shall wait on the sidelines for Uniswap to shift its trend, right? The trend is your friend. Always remember that. Never go against the trend, right? Otherwise, this is what you would call catching nice. You might think, oh, this is the low point. Oh, this is the low point. Yeah, but it keeps dropping lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. Yeah, but the thing is, you don't know, right? So that's why, as a trader, you want to wait for things to switch bullish first, right? So that even if you got in at a pause, yeah, it doesn't really matter because the trend is still bullish, right? The trend is your friend. So the question mark over here is: are we gonna fall all the way to 0.618? There's a noisy area over here. Are we gonna fall all the way back down here before we see a bounce? We're not sure. So yeah, we're just observing things. It is in our watch list. Uni against USDT. Yeah, it's the same thing as well. It feels to me like Uniswap still has a chance of completing the symmetrical triangle, right? I could see the A, a B, a C, right? D, E kind of a chart pattern. Potential. The potential is still there. Doesn't mean it is going to happen, but the potential is still there, and we could still spike out from here, right? But at the same time, this does look like mountains to me, and yeah, it's just not really good. We might get another mountain over here. Then this could be a descending triangle of sorts, and we could still pop lower, pop back into single-digit territory. That would be a disaster. But yeah, we'll see how it goes though. I don't know if this is the low. If this is the low, then hooray! Then there is a potential that things could switch bullish. So be very, very careful about going to a trade too soon for Uniswap.